Guess we're just having pure TMNT gameplay here. Raph starts, Donnie picks map here with Diorot, whereas Raph chooses position and chooses to go first, which makes sense. Raph was an insane aggro game, and you can just immediately go in. So AC is attacking Donnie. Could either be S6 or could be baiting something else. Okay. That stops the draw from crowd control, but doesn't stop the gain action. I mean, it's hard to just take it, right? Could be a 6. And then if you take a 6 in the start of the game, you just basically throw the entire thing. Okay, Casey attacks Metalhead this time. Then that is turn for Donnie, for Raph. It is Donnie's turn. Okay. There's an easier way to put it back to the bottom of the deck if you left hold, right hold it. Oh, sorry, yeah. There we go. Interesting. Maneuver boosting. Go in. I guess probably Metalhead returns a 3 to the bottom of the deck and attacks with a 6. But even if it hits with 6, it's not going to kill. Damage. Okay. Feels like a rough start for Donnie here. But we'll see. It's not too definitive just yet. AC attacks Metalhead there with a slap shot, so dealing 3 damage. Notably doesn't win the combat. It doesn't lose the combat, so Raph doesn't gain an action. Okay. Attack, then maneuver. Raph could actually just use the scheme to just kill Metalhead without any response from Donnie. I wonder who this map actually benefits. It's a melee versus melee map, so I don't think it really matters, maybe. Wait, Metalhead was here? Right? Or no? Yeah. Yeah, Donnie has to be careful here. Since a pin happens. Okay, yeah. AC. Oh, wow. Is that a kill? Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's enough to kill. Okay, good. Great. I mean, like, we have to root for whoever lost the previous game, right? So just so we can reach game 3. So Casey is down, but Metalhead is with 1 HP. Might be a 1v1 very soon. Worth mentioning too that Donnie doesn't have an during combat cancel. So an Unbridled Rage might just kill instantly if Raph can land it right. Ah. Drawing 2, then putting a card back to the bottom. Okay, there we go. Better. Yeah. There's some cards here at the side that have been exiled, banished from the game. Raph maneuvers, then boosts with turtle power. Just to reach Donnie through the doors. Okay. If we just take it and then just die to an unbridled reach. Okay, great. Heal 2. Oh. Okay. Not banishing short circuit. Yeah. So definitely still have fatigue angle here for Donnie, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, maneuver boost again. More value for Donnie. Wow, it's a boost 3. Just needed a boost 2, but it's fine. I guess the map does favor Donnie in the way that he forces Raph to boost more often. But I don't think Donnie's like a fatigue god either. Though getting attack invention early. Okay. Donnie just took an undefended relentless. Very risky. Okay. 2 damage. Yeah. Still good. Then maneuver. The timer isn't moving. That's not really much you can go. Okay. If Raph doesn't boost here, he gains an action. If Raph boosts here, he deals damage for whatever boost value of the card he discards with. So he doesn't boost. And Donnie does this. 1 damage. I think pretty even game so far. Oh. Hurts. Yeah, okay. Self-defense grid is putting in work. The fatigue game is not in Donnie's favor until he gets to land a few thinking aheads. Yep, that's the turn. Smoke bomb turn is building up. I mean, it's probably in Donnie's hand at this point. He's drawing 2 every turn. So Donnie wants to use 2 more schemes at least. Maneuver boost with the Metalhead schemes now that Metalhead's dead. Okay, Raph attacks into Bowstaff. Okay. No damage. Yeah, I mean, having Bowstaff cancelled there, it isn't that bad for Donnie. I don't think he wants to go too deep into deck disadvantage here. But like, he does have the attack and the defense inventions online, so He's not too bad right now. Every attack he throws is going to... Okay, that's unfortunate. Okay, we're just going full steam. No damage. No damage. That does mean that Raph loses combat. Oh, you're... Yeah, right. Just daring Donnie to attack first action. Interesting. Yeah, just checking if the bottom card is actually correct. Yeah, okay. Seems good. Donnie still has one of these. And Raph does have auto damage schemes, but Party Wagon is better than those. Slap shot. Boosting. Okay, that's a 4 value. Unbridled Rage throws 5. That's going to be a 13. It doesn't kill. Yeah. 1 damage. Raph doesn't boost. Okay. Okay, nothing happens. A bit unfortunate, I think, that he didn't get to cancel anything. So thinking about it, how many defenses of Raph actually have after combat effects? Raph is up +4 in fatigue right now. It is a good idea for sure to keep attacking Raph. It depletes Unbridled Rage turns and then eventually makes sure that an attack from Donnie lands. Oh, okay. That actually, you can push Raph. So, crowd control is stopped. Yeah, okay. Since he gains an action, it's good for fatigue. Okay. Start not thinking ahead. Donnie plays this. Yep. He returns to thinking ahead. Smoke bomb is active. That is 3 cards for smoke bomb to consume now. Yeah, just whittle down Raph's defenses here. Yeah, force another boost from Raph. Although Raph is up in deck right now. I'm wondering if it's that bad to just run away now. Like, if Raph attacks here, then Donnie defends with like a bow staff. And then Donnie can flip the switch, play smoke bomb, then just go crazy. Okay, a double maneuver instead. Yeah, it's still maneuver range for Donnie though. He could like double maneuver, then discard the Metalhead scheme, then threaten smoke bomb for future overextensions from Raph. Okay, or I think he's going to swing with thinking ahead, but can get blocked very easily. I think everything that Raph can defend with is blocks. Okay. The boost is cancelled, but it still deals 2 damage because of the attack convention. No more feints from Raph. Now Donnie has the initiative. It boosts with the Metalhead scheme and then play Smoke Bomb. Okay, yeah, that also works. Yep. Just be on the other side of the door. I guess Raph could. Oh, hey, mitosis. Just commentating on some TMNT matchups that I only have a surface level understanding of. We have Raph versus Don here. Earlier we had Krang versus Golden Bat. 2 characters I was more familiar with. Here I played with Raph a bit, but Donnie's a bit unusual for me still. So Raph just maneuvered in and attacks. 1 Unbridled Rage is down. And honestly, how many defenses does Raph still have? How many versatiles can he give to Unbridled Rage? He has 2 Relentlesses, 2 payback times. Okay, just loses combat. So Raph still has 1 more action. Yeah. Donnie still has 2 thinking ahead, so he just has to land like a few of those. Even just 1 would be great. You can return like a scheme. I mean, at this point the deck is so small that using Donnie's ability to cycle through the cards makes it really easy to find cards that are returned with thinking ahead. Wow, okay, but those are 2 euros.5 shell there. Well, yeah, it's a bit rough too that Donnie didn't get to cancel any of the Relentless. Wow, okay. 1 more thinking ahead. Okay. Yeah, Raph doesn't have too many defenses left. Yeah, okay. He boosted with the... Well, it's already 4 schemes in the discard pile either way. Smoke Bomb is still online. Combo turn, then hopefully land the thinking ahead. I mean, Raph is 7 HP. A combo turn from... And he only has like, what, Heroes.5 shell and payback time to defend with. Two Relentlesses, actually. And Donnie doesn't have any feints. He didn't get to cancel any of the Relentless. That's so brutal. I guess Smoke Bomb can be used as a pass. Honestly, just land 1 thinking ahead right now. Yeah, thinking ahead goes through Relentless, which is very important. Yeah, Smoke Bomb gonna go crazy. But Raph does have 7 cards and Donnie has 3 cards. That's 11 cards versus 6 from Donnie. It's a very tense endgame here, I think. Okay, discarding from an overdraw. Okay. Interesting that Beefsteak has decided that fatigue is the way. I mean, I guess it's not... Because it's Donnie's turn after, so he does start taking fatigue damage before Raph does. Yeah. Draw 2. Yeah, I think he'll have to do a Smoke Bomb turn here, but... Rough. He could use Smoke Bomb as a pass. Which would be funny. Teams, yeah, pass bomb would be hilarious, but I don't know if that's a play. My toaster says. It just feels rough because Donnie doesn't have cancels anymore. So if you can't the relentless loop, it would just keep coming back. So, yeah. I guess actually thinking ahead would keep looping itself back too. So you play smoke bomb here, then you pray to God that thinking ahead doesn't ever land on Heroes and a Half Shell. Oh, he doesn't use smoke bomb actually. Oh no. Okay. Raph still has... surprising actually. Raph has 7 plus 6 cards. He has 1 card left in deck, so he just ran away here too. Yeah, Unbridled Rage is a dead card here. I think Raph just plays Relentless here, non-stop. Oh, Unbridled Rage. Too Relentless. Oh, yeah. Okay, I guess that kills. I was wrong. Okay. I didn't realize. Okay, I'll increase their volume.
The psychics both went down super early.
Super early, both of them, yeah.
Yeah.
GG's. I love it, man.
Man.
GG's.
GG. Oh, you have to verify the first game first, sorry.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
I thought I did.
You have. I'll just log this second game.
Okay. I think that was a pretty cool game, honestly. We didn't get to see Smoke Bomb be used though.
I am Raphael. Donatello.
I was looking for a sequence where I could thinking ahead and then like put a party wagon on the bottom and then I would smoke bomb and like smack you with quick strike and then and maneuvers until I find the party wagon again and redo it. And then I was like I was looking for that sequence, but you never gave it to me.
Yep. I blocked all. Lucky for me, I had the cards to block the thinking aheads. You got your electric grenade early. 7, 0 logged.
Honestly, I didn't think Unbridled Rage was still an option.
Really?
I didn't realize that you still had 2 other versatilles. I knew you had 2 Relentless. I think it was pretty brutal when none of the Relentless got cancelled. The end game was going to get scuffed when that would just get looped non-stop.
Yeah. But I was able to use like 4 maybe 4, 3 or 4.
Yeah. I was never able to cancel any.
Yeah. Jeez, that was a good game.
Yeah, dude, good games, man.
Yeah, man.
If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.